solve the following equations. So we've got x plus 5 is equal to 12. Let's do that one first. So, and the key terms here when we're solving an equation is balance and opposite. So here we got an equation, x plus 5 is equal to 12. Well, we've got to try and rewrite this equation so it says that x is equal to, and this is all about balance. So if we look here, we've got plus 5. And the opposite of adding 5 is to take 5. So if I take 5 from this side, I must also do it to the other side. So the opposite of adding is subtract. So take 5 from both sides. So here I have x plus 5 take 5, which will just give me x. And here I have 12 take away 5, which gives me 7. That was a very simple one, but it illustrates the technique. Now, when you're solving, you need to keep the equal sign in a straight line because that indicates balance. So it should all be a nice column. B, got x take away 7 is equal to 13. So the opposite of taking away 7 is to add 7. So if I add 7 on this side, I must do it to the other side. So x take 7 plus 7 just gives me x. And then 13 plus 7 gives me 20. C, I've got 3x, that means 3 times x is equal to 21. So the opposite of multiplying by 3 is to divide by 3. So if I divide this side, 3x divided by 3, that will just give me x. And then 21 divided by 3 will give me 7. D, x divided by 3, this means x divided by 3 is equal to 5. So the opposite of dividing is to multiply both sides by 3. So if I do x divided by 3 and then multiply by 3, I just get x. And then on this side, I get 5 times 3, which is 15. This has been a video to show you how to solve very simple linear equations with one step. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.